बैकग्राउंड नॉइज ज्यादा तो नहीं आ रही है आप लोगों को?
आ रही है सर थोड़ी बहुत।
क्या आवाज आ रही है स्पेशली? अभी कम हो गई होगी। तो all the students will come back. Total here 9 students are present, and why all other students are not joining? Is there any specific reason?
सर कुछ लोगों का पेपर है तो कुछ लोग ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं। एसएससी का पेपर है सर, और बस।
Okay. So today what you अचिंत, आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
यस सर।
बोलो, क्या क्या चीज दिक्कत है, क्या चीज हुआ है?
नहीं सर, मैंने कुछ बोल रहा था। मैंने बोला सबका पेपर है इसलिए शायद आज बहुत लोग एब्सेंट है।
अच्छा ठीक है। ओके, सो this is question 8, 9 and 10 of the assignment. So today you have to work on question 9. Okay, as a part of today's lecture you have to work on the question 9, how you will proceed. For two link manipulator, in this figure you have a1 a2 equal to 1, and the coordinates of tool has to be find in case of theta 1 pi by 6 and theta 2 pi by 2. How you will proceed for that? So I think it is easy to you. चलो करो आप लोग इसको। This is a part of assignment, so you do it in the separate this is I interchange the number once 1 minute. I interchange the number of these questions, so that you first do this in the last part of your question number 7. Okay, in your assignment book. So start doing that. If you have completed up to the question number 7, then you can do the same from question number 8 in continuation with question number 7. So note this question. Can any student tell me what expressions has to be derived here? You try up to 5:30, and after 5:30 I will tell you how to proceed if you feel the problem in solving this question. Sajal, चलिए आप लोग कीजिए इसे। Any student joins this time and has some query, he can ask again. The students can ask the queries. All of you first find the expression of x2 and y2 coordinates from the base frame. The coordinates of the end of the tool, that is end of manipulator, from the base frame. For your your understanding, I here tell you the coordinates of this joint. This is x1, y1. The coordinates of this joint is x0, y0, and the coordinate of this joint, this end is x2, y2. Okay, I will have to modify the figure according to this rule. So x1 y1 is the coordinate of this is this first joint, second joint, and the end effector. Okay, so what is the Cartesian coordinate of x2 y2 with respect to base frame? So x1 equal to the coordinate of first joint.
सर इसमें लेंथ नहीं दिया हुआ है।
A1 A2, length is A1 A2.
ओके सर।
Okay, so x1 equal to A1 cos of theta 1. Okay, y1 equal to A1 sin of theta 1. Similarly, x2 equal to this horizontal length plus this horizontal length. So x2 equal to a2 cos of theta 1 plus theta 2, because the relative angle of this link with respect to horizontal is, this is theta 1 and this theta 2. So the projection of this section in the horizontal axis x0 is a2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus a1 cos of theta 1. Okay, similarly y2 equal to what will be the y2, the projection of this coordinate to the y-axis and projection of this coordinate to the y-axis. So
A1 sin theta 1 plus A2 sin theta 1 plus theta 2.
a1 sin of a2 sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus a1 sin of theta 1. Okay, so this is the coordinate of the tool, with respect to the base frame or base. You can say this is the base frame and base. Okay, so you can calculate the first part according to this. We put the values of theta 1, theta 2 and a1, a2, and what is the coordinate of x2, y2. This is point, we take here this as point P2, this is point P1, and this is point P0. Okay, clear? So actually what you see, that point P2 is a coordinate in suppose x0, y0, then the x2 is P2 and the angle of this direct angle from origin. This will be different from theta 1 or theta 1 plus theta 2 or theta 2. This is something, suppose this is alpha, direct angle of point P2 from base frame. So P2 cos alpha equal to x2 and P2 sine of alpha equal to y2 equal to क्लियर है? So you define the tool position based on these theta 1 and theta 2 values. What is the outcome, coordinate of the tool? Suppose this is
point and 1.36.
1 point.
Sir, x2 is equal to 0.366.
X2 equal to
0.366.
Use the chat box, please.
सर एक बार फिर से दिखाइए.
इसको रिपीट करें. This section is, suppose this is A1 and this is theta 1, then this projection is A1 cos of theta 1. Okay. Now here with the horizontal, this theta 1 plus additional angle between the direction of the link 1 and the link 2. So this is theta 2. The angle between the direction of link 1 and 2 is theta 2. Here from the base frame, the angle of the direction, angle of the first link is theta 1. So this is same angle theta 1. So overall angle from the horizontal of second link will be theta 1 plus theta 2. The projection is A2 cos of theta.
सर
Okay.
ये अल्फा का
Actually, if you define this P0, P1 and P2, if you now directly define this P2 relative to origin,
okay sir.
then this
Okay.
angle is alpha. Okay, this angle is alpha. So any coordinate, P2 has coordinate x2 y2. Okay, so x2 y2, the r radius distance of this is suppose the radius r. Okay, r theta, r angle alpha. You can define any point P2 by r angle alpha also. So r angle alpha is this is r is given by under root the coordinates of the point, xy coordinates of the point, and alpha is given by y2 upon x2 tan inverse. Okay, so you can express the direct overall angle of the point P2, okay, from the base frame alpha in this way, and the distance of overall distance of the point P2 from the origin by this way. Okay, so this point P2 is defined by r alpha. Okay, so r equal to, this is the which type of coordinate? This is the cylindrical coordinate. Okay, and this is Cartesian coordinate, polar. This is the polar representation. Okay, polar, and this is x2 y2. If you define only, then x2 y2 is Cartesian. Okay, so from the Cartesian you can define the point P2 in terms of polar form. Okay, so alpha is tan inverse y2 upon x2 and r equal to under root x2 square plus y2 square. Here the first problem is to determine x2 using theta 1 and theta 2, y2 using theta 1 and theta 2. Okay, clear? So
Yes.
you have first determine the x2 and y2. Here I can also write for your simplicity x2 y2. I am writing only here at this time. I will erase this. So coordinates of the tool x2 y2, when theta 1 is this and this. Now derive the expression for tool coordinate velocity in terms of joint velocities. ये थोड़ा सा कठिन है. So what you do for that? suppose the you have determined the x2, okay, x2 equal to a1 cos of theta 1 plus a2 cos of theta 1 plus theta 2. Clear? You have determined the a1 sin of theta 1 plus a2 sin of theta 1 plus थीटा 2. सही है कि नहीं? गलत तो नहीं इसमें?
सही है सर.
So now take the derivative of this dy dt and dy dt. Then what will be the value? Here you have two terms. Once you will take the theta 1 dot and theta 2 remain intact, and another time you will take the theta 1 intact and theta 2 derivative. So you take the partial derivatives in this. So a1 dy dt of cos theta 1, okay. So cos theta 1 derivative of cos theta 1 is minus sin theta one into theta 1 derivative, okay. The derivative of this term with theta 1 and then derivative of this theta 1 with respect to time. Now you take the derivative of this term, then you have again a2 sin of theta 1 plus theta 2, and you have derivatives of both. So once you have you take the derivative of theta 1 plus theta 2 with respect to time, then what is this? Theta 1 dot plus theta 2 dot. Actually this is not multiplication, simultaneously both the derivatives can be there, okay. तो ये आपका हो गया एक्सप्रेशन. y2 के लिए क्या करोगे? Similarly this is x2 dot.
सर ये डेरिवेटिव
Yes.
सर नहीं समझ में आया. डेरिवेटिव में किया ना सर टाइम के रिस्पेक्ट में.
When you take the derivative of this term,
सही है.
any other students have any problem in understanding this?
No sir.
Is it clear how it is being solved? You first take the derivative of this term with respect to theta 1, and now you take the derivative of theta 1 with respect to time. आप ऐसे ही तो करोगे. d cos of theta 1 upon del t. Suppose this is differentiation. Then what will happen? Del of cos of theta 1 with respect to theta 1, then theta 1 with respect to, okay. सही तो होगा. देखोगे तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा दोनों, तो ऐसे आ जाएगा. y2 डॉट कैसे आएगा? साइन थीटा का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? कॉस थीटा. a1 cos of theta 1 and then theta 1 derivative, okay. Similarly, here a2 cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 and the derivative of theta 1 plus theta 2. So derivative of theta 1 plus derivative of theta 2. Clear? You see here the derivations are also given here. You can also refer this. Equation number 1.5. Okay. So you have identified both the x2 and y2 coordinate velocities, that is tool coordinate velocity, in the terms of joint velocities. What are the joint velocities? Theta 1 dot and theta 2 dot. Then you can this is the expression for coordinate velocity, tool coordinate velocity in terms of joint velocities. Now also there is other part as well as the joint velocities in terms of tool velocities. Okay. Students, is it clear up till now here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any other student who has any confusion?
No, sir.
सर दूसरे वाले के लिए
This
तो
is a
थीटा,
simple.
दूसरे वाले को थीटा को सेपरेट करके डेरिवेटिव करना पड़ेगा, डिराइव।
दूसरे वाले को से देखो, once you take here d by dt cos of theta 1 plus theta 2. ओके, इसी की बात कर रहे हो ना?
नहीं सर, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ कि इस क्वेश्चन का जो सेकंड पार्ट है,
यस,
तो जैसे ज्वाइंट वेलोसिटी को सर क्वेश्चन एक बार दिखाइए।
हाँ, थीटा 1 डॉट को अलग करके और थीटा 2 डॉट को अलग करके एक जैकोबियन मैट्रिक्स बनेगा।
हाँ सर,
here you will determine the x2 dot y2 dot
2 cross 2 का जैकोबियन मैट्रिक्स 2 क्रॉस बनेगी ना?
2 by 2
थीटा 1 और थीटा 2 के डिफरेंशिएट करके.
Okay, so what you see here, you take out the theta 1 term here in common, theta 2 terms here in common. Okay, so you define the tool coordinate velocity in terms of joint velocities. Now you want to take out the joint velocities in terms of tool velocity, then this is the expression. तो इसमें जे जो भी आपका निकलता है जे, उसको आप डिफाइन कर लीजिए, उसका जे इनवर्स निकाल लीजिए. ओके, this is a very initial question in this Vidyasagar book. In the very first stage of the book, this problem has discussed. एक मिनट रुकना यार, इनको तो हम बताएं, हल्ला कर रहे हैं ऊपर. आप लोग कीजिए जब तक मैं 5 मिनट से आता हूँ. Okay, students, have any problem in this stage? So what is the Jacobian matrix we have determined?
Sir, -7 sin θ1.
सर
-7 sin.
4 का है सर, 2 का है सर।
ओके, सो चलो स्नैपचैट में भेजो किसकी का निकला हो तो चैट बॉक्स में। ऐसा ही आएगा ना?
नो सर, सर माइनस आ रहा है और साइन आ रहा है।
माइनस
हाँ माइनस
साइन आएगा।
यस
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ हाँ, सॉरी सॉरी, वो तो डेरिवेटिव हो चुका था ना।
यस सर।
ओके, माइनस साइन θ1, a1 साइन θ1 प्लस a2 साइन θ1 प्लस θ2 एंड θ1 डॉट हियर
यस सर,
a2 साइन ऑफ
माइनस सर, माइनस सर।
दिस इज माइनस।
θ1 डॉट सर, वो क्या
θ1 डॉट
सर θ1 प्लस θ2
वो नहीं रहेगा ना सर, उसके रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं ना।
अलग अलग करेंगे ना उसमें। अब हियर यू आर सेपरेटिंग द टर्म्स।
यस,
हियर θ1 term you have, and here θ1 term you have for this. So you will take the θ1 and θ2 terms separate. Clear है?
यस सर।
सर तो θ1 नहीं रहेगा ना सर, जैकोबियन बनाने के लिए एक में θ1 डैश के रिस्पेक्ट में कर रहे हैं ना डिफरेंशिएट, और दूसरे में θ2 डैश के रिस्पेक्ट में ना।
यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ प्रेजेंटली, इसमें सिंपली θ1 डॉट अलग निकालेंगे, θ2 डॉट का अलग। तो यहाँ पे एक टर्म ये आएगा और दूसरा टर्म आएगा माइनस a2 साइन θ1 प्लस θ2 एंड θ2 डॉट। ओके, y2 डॉट ऐसे आ जाएगा। y2 डॉट क्या आएगा? तो जब आप ये डिफाइन करोगे तो x2 डॉट ऐसा आएगा आपका माइनस a1 साइन ऑफ θ1, ओके, प्लस a2 साइन ऑफ θ1
सर माइनस
प्लस θ2 and here a2 sin of θ1 plus θ2. ओके,
सर यहाँ भी माइनस होगा, यहाँ भी माइनस होगा सर।
θ1 डॉट एंड theta 2 dot. Similarly, you can also put the values for joint tool velocity in the terms of joint velocity. Okay, so you find here the Jacobian. Jacobian is actually the there you get the derivatives. Okay, so matrix of derivatives is called the Jacobian. So here it is the result of differentiation. So all the terms here are on the part of Jacobian. ठीक है, तो आप ये जो आपने निकाला है joint velocity in terms of tool velocity. So once you have calculated this J, then you can calculate J inverse using this matrix. Okay, and now you can find out the theta 1 dot and theta 2 dot in terms of joint in terms of tool velocity. Okay, x dot y dot. Okay, so third part is if the joint velocities are constant at theta 1 equal to 1 and theta 1 dot equal to 1 and theta 2 dot equal to 2, then what is the velocity of tool? So when you have theta 1 dot and theta 2 dot known, and what is the instantaneous tool velocity, you can determine theta 1 and theta 2 by theta 1 and theta 2 is pi by 4. You can put the values a1 a2, you have the values, and the constant terms theta 1 and theta 2 dot joint velocities are constant. So in that case you can calculate the
सर जैकोबियन में थीटा 1 थीटा 2 का वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा।
थीटा 1 थीटा 2 का वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिए। ओके, सो व्हेन the theta 1 and theta 2 and theta 1 dot theta 2 dot are known, you can determine the tool velocity. Okay, yes, so you put the theta 1 theta 2 theta 1 dot and theta 2 dot. So in this section you can determine this. Okay, it is saying what is the instantaneous tool velocity. Suppose you have not known the theta 1 and theta 2 previously up to here, till the end of this section of the question, you put only the theta 1 dot and theta 2 dot values. Now you get the tool velocity in terms of theta 1 and theta 2 only. Okay, because you have put the value of theta 1 dot and theta 2 dot, that is constant 1 and 2. So as soon as you put the values of theta 1 theta 2 equal to pi by 4, you will get the numerical value of tool velocity. Okay, ये समझ में आ गया है?
Yes sir.
हाँ सर, yes sir.
So you can also refer this. Here you can see minus a1 sin theta 1 minus a2 sin theta 1 plus theta 2, and this is the Jacobian. Okay, similarly you can take the J inverse of this equation 1.7. Okay, you calculate the J inverse, and just when you have the theta 1 dot and theta 2 dot known, then you can determine the tool velocity in terms of theta 1 and theta 2, because you have already put the values of theta 1 dot and theta 2 dot. Now as soon as you put the values of theta 1 and theta 2, you can directly get the joint velocity in numerical value, that is instantaneous value. Okay, clear? Students, is it clear?
Yes, yes sir.
Find the expression for joint variables for given tool coordinates. तो ये इसमें θ1 θ2 इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स वाई निकालना है। ये इनवर्स डायनेमिक्स का प्रॉब्लम है। ओके, इनवर्स काइनेमेटिक्स। ठीक है, ये अब अभी असाइनमेंट के टाइम में तो सब इंडिकेट है, एग्जाम में हम आई के थोड़ी ना लिखेंगे इसमें। तो ये इनवर्स काइनेमेटिक है। जब भी हम ज्वाइंट वेरिएबल निकालते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन टूल कोऑर्डिनेट्स व्हाट शुड बी द ज्वाइंट वेरिएबल, सो दिस इज द इनवर्स काइनेमेटिक। अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन ज्वाइंट वेरिएबल व्हाट शुड बी द टूल कोऑर्डिनेट, दिस इज द डायरेक्ट काइनेमेटिक। ओके, तो इसमें in this you have to simply determine using these equations. You have cos θ2 you have determined like this. Previously you have solved this problem. Okay, you determine the θ2, then you can calculate the θ1. So in terms of x and y dual coordinates you can determine the, here also the θ2 is also the function of tool coordinate by this. Once you have the information about the tool coordinate x and y, and you have in prior information of the link lengths, so you can calculate the θ2. Okay, depending on this θ2, now you can calculate this θ2 which is based on tool coordinate and link length, and this term based on tool coordinate. So θ1 also you can calculate. Clear? So I think it is sufficient for today. कल तुम लोगों का वो है ट्यूटोरियल है, उसके बाद से आई थिंक ये आप लोगों का एक 25 से कितने तारीख है, 25 से 31 तक ना?
यस सर।
31st. Okay, so regarding the present lecture, the topics covered in this present lecture, any student has any query? My dear students, Koteswar Rao and बदावत श्रीकांत नहीं है क्या?
नहीं सर,
आप लोगों को कोई समस्या तो नहीं है?
श्रीकांत भी ट्रेवल कर रहा है, उसका भी पेपर है।
ओके, सुरुचि, वैभव, सुधाकर, स्मिता, एनी प्रॉब्लम?
नो सर।
समझ में आ गया?
यस सर।
ओके, शुभम? बदावत इज प्रेजेंट
सर रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है क्या?
यस
यस सर।
कुछ बोलना है? ऑफ कर दूं? चलो ऑफ कर देता हूँ, 1 मिनट।